Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So I've been feeling a little bit anxious and low from last few weeks because summers are over and winter has started in London. So I'm starting my day with some light yoga and I've also restarted my ginger shots.
Good morning guys, it is Friday today and this is my breakfast. I've got some egg and some avocado and I think it's around 8:45 and I'm gonna start my work now.
So we are in the final phase of this project, turning ideas into actions. So we've already shown the client how our ideas can save them the money, and now it's time to map this to a roadmap, basically step-by-step plans to bring these ideas to life. I got stuck on one of the plans, so I called my manager to brainstorm, and that's what I love about consulting, that you're always surrounded by smart people, always learning and growing through every discussion.
Okay, cool. Alright. But this place is also cool.
We had our team stand up to prep for the client workshop. There will be few people at the client side who always create problems, disrupt the entire workshop. So we have this strategy ready. We anticipate the questions. We make sure that how we're going to manage different people. And because I think a big part of consulting, it's just not about doing the work, but also handling different kind of people.
Lunchtime and I'm so hungry. Let's go and quickly get a lunch. My lunch, I'm having some rajma rice with yogurt and some mirchi for the extra spice. So I'm gonna make my winter coffee. Add some coffee and then I add some cocoa or cacao, pure cacao powder without any sweeteners. Add that, pinch of cinnamon. Smells amazing. So I'm gonna enjoy this coffee with dessert that we've got. These are like peach pastries. So they're like these pastries with, I think this is sugar dust, and then inside they have peaches. It clearly shows that there is a lot of value leakage happening right now.
You know, I've been doing this job for years and I've presented to so many clients, but even now I still get very nervous sometimes. And today I just wasn't feeling it. I wasn't as confident as I usually am, but that's the thing. Confidence isn't linear. Some days you're at 100%, some days you're not, and that's okay because it's all part of the journey.
Good job. -1 for wasting time.
After every big client workshop, we have a debrief call to discuss what went well, what didn't, and what needs follow-up. But today was also a mini celebration since we've been preparing for weeks and we were really happy that this was done.
Hey, how's it going?
See, I'm good. How are you?
Very happy. It's Friday afternoon, best time of the week.
True. Well, I had a very basic question.
Just that we're in the process of choosing them.
When I'm working on Excel, I completely get into a zone. Honestly, I love working on Excel and love playing with numbers. It just put me in the moment and my mind stopped wandering and I get fully absorbed in it. And I was so deep in the zone this time that I didn't even realize that camera was still recording.
We done for today. Now let's quickly go to the gym. We are back home and it's time to make some dinner. Because it's Fridays, I'm making pizza at home. So let's make that. Alexa, play Soch Ke. For dessert, I just have this bread with butter. I'm gonna put some strawberry and some cream on the top of it. So this is our Friday night dinner. some yummy homemade pizza with a lot of like toppings so that I'm just not eating bread. And we have a bowl of veggies, and then we have our dessert homemade, some wine, because it's Friday night and we're gonna watch something and enjoy our dinner. Yay! It's 11:30 and I've just finished editing. I started editing, I don't know, around I think 8:30 probably or 9. So been editing non-stop. Shopping. I think I really need to sleep. Let's go swimming. It is 10:15 right now. I had such an amazing spa and swimming session in the morning. Today we've actually invited one of our friends for dinner. Because they're not Indian, so I want them to taste a little bit of Indian flavors and Indian food. So there's a lot of things we have to make, and that's why we need to start by making a list. I want to make this chart board. So I have made this before also and people really like it. Then I want to make these baked samosas. I've never made this before, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. And then for mains, I'm gonna make palak paneer, and my husband is gonna make some kind of dal. And then we're also gonna make pulao, and I'm also gonna make some salad. I'm also thinking that I might make some raita and all. We're gonna have maybe some naans. Seems like too much, and they're gonna be here at 5. They're gonna be here around 5, so we don't have much time. But let's start by making the list, and then we'll get down to our cooking. Both of my recipe requires boiled potatoes, so I'm gonna put them on a boil, and also they require tamarind. I'm also gonna soak the tamarind so that's ready for us in next few hours. Because we have a lot of things to do, so I've ordered breakfast from the same place again. Cinnamon roll. So it's around 12. I have made the green chutney. The imli chutney is cooking. I think I need to add a little bit of more good into it. And then for my samosas, I have mashed the potato. I have to now take out my peas and start preparing the filling for samosas. I think I'm running late, but let's see. I tasted my green chutney, and the problem with my green chutney is it's too spicy. Though I added just 2 chilies, but still it is so spicy, and I know they don't eat a lot of spice, so I'm making sure that my imli chutney is very sweet so that it balances out. It's tangy. Add probably a little bit of more salt. I think it's almost done because it has been cooking from last 15-20 minutes. I think I made too much of imli chutney. I'm thinking that I'm gonna make the samosa masala now, but I'm not gonna roll the puff pastry now and bake them. I think I'll do that later. I'll first make the samosa masala and then get started with my palak paneer, because once my palak paneer is done and samosa masala is done, then I can like chill for a little. where I had everything ready for palak paneer, and then I realized I don't have paneer. So now I'm going down to the supermarket to get some paneer. Always, it always happens, always. So we have to work really, really fast. Okay, a little bit panicking because it's around 3 p.m. right now. I've got all my chaat stuff ready because I had some pani puri ka puri, so I've also made pani puri water and a little bit of this potato and chickpea filling. I've got my curd ready, my chutneys ready, I've got my boiled potato ready and namkeen ready for the other chaat, the dahi chaat. So I think this is done. My palak paneer is cooking on the stove. It's the consistency is not as tasty as it usually is, but that's the law, right? Whenever you have to make something special, it will never taste the best, but we'll see. We'll try to fix that. And I have to do that, and then I think the main thing that is pending is to make that pastry samosas. That's gonna take some time, so let's start with that. Okay, this is the puff pastry. I've never used it, so I am quite concerned. Put a little bit of coriander. Time to roll this. Oh, I was scared about this part. I've added too much masala because for other people it was not this thick. Let's keep this in the fridge for 10 minutes. It is 3:42, so 1 hour is left. I'm so tired now. But I think I've done most of the thing. The only thing left to do is to assemble the chaat and to cook the samosa pastry, which I'll start at 4:30. For now, I'm just gonna change and take a little bit of rest. Okay, so this is out from the fridge. Ideally, you should use egg wash, but I don't have egg right now, so I'm using milk and cream because that's what ChatGPT tells me. So let me do that. I have arranged all the chart things here. Are lit. Let's make the chaat. This is quite spicy. This is too big. I'm gonna make one, but probably later. Love the potato. मिर्ची तो नहीं हो रही उनके लिए योगर्ट है ना साथ
Our friends came over and I was so happy to reunite with their dog again. We chilled, talked, and laughed over way too much food, and it was such a beautiful evening. One of those moments where I had to pinch myself because I used to dream about this, hosting people at my own place, cooking big meal, creating these cozy moments. And I don't get to do it often because I'm always working weekend, weekdays, but whenever I do, it just makes me so happy, and hopefully in future I'll get to do this more.